No, let them talk. There are some media in the level wow. Go to their house, they can't even sweep their house. All they do is to insult the governor. Why not check it from the other side? They talk boosting economy. Only Nana. Have you ever one day heard that Britain or the Germans, they are not importing artifacts? Germans, they are known for machines. Their strength is, they are known for, they were called German machine. That's what they are known for. Why do you think they want people bringing it? Then they gave you money along with it. Do you think it's the money they make from it? You are lying. It's not the money they make from it. They know that you are suffering. If they give you that money, after all, you don't talk anything again. If I were to be in position to we ask, please, we want to know, what really make you people to invade us? Tell me. What crime did we commit that make you to invade us? And after 100 years, you are returning this thing back. And they are giving you money along with it. Even they can be sued. If this man that is called Ndidi, the death of Jesus Christ that happened according to what we were told 2,000 years ago, a Kenyan lawyer sued Israel, Israel, a part of Israel and a part of Italy. That unfair treatment we are giving to Jesus. If we are never given time for a case to be heard. And we all know that Jesus Christ really, he was not sued to court. So we can still forward this very case. Let us not believe on the money. Okay, look at the controversy everywhere. Obaseki said, West Africa Museum, which to me, it speaks more volume than just Honorable Benin Royal Museum. That West Africa Museum, located in Edo State, Benin City, we attract more tourists to come. Now, we are building this and we've been able to build security for the tourists that are going to come. Don't you think the Oyibo in this world, they might have gone to Britain and look at those things or go it and they call some certain historian and they tell them this truth? The reason why if I thought they make money if we read the first time is that Oyibo want to see why will somebody be worshipping an image with human blood. That's what they want to see. But we are not saying it today why they invaded or why they take away our forefathers and all of that. We don't see bloody care. Or we hear we carry from one perspective. Why are we not having respect here abroad? If really the way we claim, United Arab Emirates, if they want to do anything in America, their king will go. Spain, their king will go. The time we would have Spain, if really you live value where you are from, for all to be known internationally, not even Niger we can travel to. Not even Kenya we can travel to. But there are some other people who will go to White House during inauguration that is happening there. Felipe VI of Spain do go there, he and his wife, anytime they are having anything in the White House. We have not been able, all we still do is humiliation. Imagine all these things you feel you are doing. Trying to bring problem between the governor and the palace. You think you are fully, they are writing it down for you. They are putting everything down for you. They are putting everything down for you. But you don't know. Our name is Enimakama. Enimakama. Where tell me. Meet the Portuguese and the British. Let them read your history for you. The reason why people today, people cannot even talk right now, they said they are afraid. There are a lot of people who have something to say this very issue. They are afraid. Because we have been so oppressed and we have been shocked that you can't talk the truth. That's why you have been seeing what you are seeing. That's why a person like me, I refuse to comment ever since. Until God said anything, speak to them in this manner. That's it. I'm not after whether it's going to be built on top of the palace or anywhere. I'm not after that. But without the people, what's artifact? It was made by our fathers. It was made by our father for a specific purpose. Na make naga ga onya ya we. Ba be ga ni, ba ga rie ne ba ga. Then ajobi say yazese now comes in. The man yazese ne nanane. And why did they take it away? And what forensic analysis have they done about it? What did they see? What they see inside after doing the forensic analysis? Can you stand and defend it still? Can you stand and defend what they saw? Or those of you that are speaking right now, let's even assume that the breeder is breaking it. They tell you to come and stand. Look at why was your forefathers using human blood for this? Can you defend it? Can you defend it? You can't defend it now. Instead of us to be happy that 100 people that went to Denmark to go and study how to make motor, they are now bringing company to Edo State. We are talking about artifacts that I want to boost in your economy. If the Igbo no even can look at, who want can look at? How many people do we have in Edo? Does outside man on Swekaro here want to come to your museum? To come and do what? The Victor Wafo, does he not have an art gallery? What of those images? No, which one would you never see for your life before? What's going to interest you about it? It interests people because of the historical background that behind it. Now make an interest to Igbo. Everything you see right now is in Google. They have it already. They might have done the one better than. That is more expensive. Even do it with gold. Even do it with gold. Yeah, we are here fooling ourselves. Do you know since we have been seeing the Festac? It's called Festac. Yes, again. The best way we would have promoted it is to carry the Africa along, which Obaseki was wanting to do, but you got blow the thing out of proportion because you never want development in Edo State. How many people there Edo State? Do you think this thing was supposed to be kept to be worshipped? The palace cannot even maintain the cost. This place, it can employ a lot of people. There are ways the government will do it. That place will be a tourist attraction. Ask some other measure to the area they are going to build it. After maybe we might have, getting rid of insecurity in our society, then Benin City, Obaseki try to make Edo State a business hub. There are ways you can, bring in tourists to come to your town. You build it well. You build it well. But most people, we are using sentiment, we are using emotions. Nobody that will not love is our kings. Particularly if it's giving you what you want. Like me right now, I have my own motion where I do my criticism I did. It's favoring you, maybe it's not favoring me. If I don't want to be frank, I don't feel boy born what if really you love what the palace do, how well Bonnie was born and get what even not even any of you can swear it. If really the way you are even saying it with your man, if not because you are using sycophancy or hypocrisy, that when I get one with Bible work Israeli. And where una gele lake emi ya no kegwana ladian you born November bona none of you will swear no what even hypocrisy or what. Do you know the people that still love the Edo? Now people like us, we are speaking the truth to the land so that a lot of things will change. We are not just in abroad like that. We have contacts. We know what they say about us. The reason why we criticize a lot of things so that your image and my image may be presented well before these people. Our image is mess. It is a mess. It is a mess. Anytime you feel a Igbo come there, they are coming to come and spy. If these people see doing what we invaded them for in 1897, do we have any connection abroad? Where the connection there? Can Spanish be doing anything today and write letter to Benin? We know so and so kingdom. Please send your representative. Do we have any such leg? That's what we should be clamoring for. That right now we have been know it's so and so place. Not even the UK Janjaweed who colonized Nigeria have ever wanted to give us invitation. A queen, is it not a royal family? So we also have a royal family in our place. Why are we not invited? Because we still choose to have that archaic idea. The reason why you feel the ancestors of Edo will kill some people, we might expect of him that day. Every day, any native doctor pull hand on juju because of sentiment, because they are speaking the truth. And the gods of the land know that they are speaking the truth. It will lose its children. Mark my word. Any day you eventually try it, where will they matter? At times, we are being carried away. Moses talked to God in the wilderness. He said, Baba God, stop killing these people. They'll come the fish say you know one fish, you know of their power to deliver them. That's why you are killing them. Then God have no option than to lead these people. He leave them. But we can't speak the truth. Okay, without the truth, how are we going to have a better society? You think some of all these enigmas, they knows more than you. No, they doesn't know more than you. They want to learn from you. But you, they want to learn from. Anytime they brought out anything so far, I've seen some idiot here in Europe. Hey, no. What about Wanokwa is doing what is not right in this century? You can't correct him. That's the meaning. You can't correct Wanokwa. You people have made it a spirit. You people have made it a spirit. You people have made it a spirit. Why? I think this should be the highest lack of civilization in the world. Let me just mention one name now. You see people start ranting. Do you know how they call King of Spain? Juan Carlos. The father that stepped down for his son to enter. Juan Carlos. How did they call Queen of England? Queen Elizabeth. The same way you have queen, you know, we have a queen in we name queen as a name. Just to say, okay, Queen Igbinigun. They say Queen Elizabeth. Finish. But our own, you carry leg, put on for head. You can't pull the hand like this. Upon all, they'll see fun and say you made mistake. Our memority is too much. We need to change it. The old state for Nigeria go better. Those states will remain where it is. Go and mark my word. I know a lot of people that doesn't have understanding. They will still come right now and say, amen, amen. All of you that is claiming right now, you value Atife more than your brother. They wanted to deport in 2017. Don't you see your life? Don't you see your life? As if the governor is an outcast. The governor has the constitutional right to decide. Look how we are going to do this thing. If he now stole away from me, then it's another thing. What are we still going to be using the image for? Are we still going to be worshiping it? Or let's change this thing as a resource of revenue? Then, if for example the palace now sign, this very thing is going to yield up money. What friends did you have? Those of you today, how many Obona don't carry go house? How many Obona don't fit carry go house? Me now, come Belefusi, I want to go look at it where the brick come from. What I want to use and do? What am I going to use it for? Tell me now. What are people be calling abstraction? Africa gay animal. We doesn't even have a zoo. The zoo self animal on the work patchoko here worry so. Because we lack this maintenance culture. A time is going to come right now. This thing is still going to come back to the government because the palace cannot maintain it because this thing costs money. What the revenue that's going to be coming out from there in the month is not enough to pay the workers or to put security there. There should be standby security there from the state. Police will start extending duty there. That's how it's supposed to look like. It will be a source of income to the state, while some other things will be built along with it. It will be built along with it. Bring us some other images also. You know, it will be very big. The place will be very big. You can even shop there, do all manner of things there. The palace cannot handle it. Under normal conditions, it is the government that pays the palace. The palace have no source of revenue under normal conditions. I know they might have derived their own personal way of they getting their own whatever else. Hello, Chairman, I'm on live broadcast. I'm on live broadcast. So, like what I've said before, if the German have said, please come and pack your things, the palace cannot step forward so want to go and pack it. They must invite the state governor, please, finance this thing for us. We have our brother dying in Libya today, but all of you that is insulting Obaseki, you are not telling Obaseki about Obaseki, please come and bring our brother. Also look at this man in America. I always tell that man, man in Amenwa, why go to the North here in Amenwa? People we expect who are civilized, anyway worse is why do we become so crazy? Any little thing we blow it out of proportion. Any little thing we break out of proportion. The economic value of what they are bringing to us, you don't even know. What they are planted inside, you don't know. They are bringing it, you are happy. What is the history behind it? You don't want to study the history behind it. How long are we going to continue? Do we really need a better society? I put it there, do we really need a better society? I don't think we need it. Look at those states have been cut to almost 5 parts. Instigating people against the government, what does that supposed to mean? The most humiliated person in this whole world today, Nnamdi Kanu, Donald Trump, and Obaseki. Obaseki should be the third. This is the thing you cannot defend. If they carry you now, one of these artifacts, carry up your machine, do a forensic analysis. Wait till they take the worship this thing those days. You can't know it. The crime we committed that made them invaded us, nobody they talk about that one. They'll just carry invade you. And they are invading you, you don't come out, can't sue them. You are still happy, they are still the one taking care of you. If they gave us money for human sacrifice, we will go happy. We must follow money. And the money we are using it for ourselves. For how long are we going to continue this? Remove your leg from the ground, they fly your cap. No. If they tell now the truth, now so now I'm going to hit her for war. More than they pray for. Any person that I pray, whosoever that you want Edo State not to go for, may the ancestors of Edo State kill them. What you on? I'll be putting a capital A, man. We cannot continue like this, man. People were supposed to. Do you think everybody's speaking right now? They are speaking out of fear. 99% of them speak out of fear. 99% of these people speak out of fear. They are afraid, that's why they are speaking like that. A lot of you will just think now that hey, they are really just speaking. No, they are speaking, they are afraid. They can't talk the way I talk right now because they've committed themselves to what they are not supposed to commit themselves to. This morning, now just come. Now turn the Edo tradition to become devil. Because our moon is. Now turn out to be another thing. Now turn out to become palace where you cannot even. You imagine any 90 someone here you. Then I'll come girl with both friends. When I go, one of who okay, mistake. Look at the children we have here abroad. When we phone or Mombokere maybe 14 years. Who were not 12? Yet it will have at 12 because they are not used to it. He go reach school, now even in master greeter and not greeter, he not send. So the so-culture you guys are talking about, and it is our generation. It does not go to your children. Do mine and one. So the artifact is going to be there. Nobody know how worship. The world is civilizing. To my point of view, nobody. All these menace is going to end in this very generation. When you are 50 years in Nanya, not Zuwana, a generation one end. Do not think your children will continue that. Particularly when you are BLL Bona. Or you are one Bovoni, who are una just the fool yourself. I'm assuring you today, your children not getting for that one. All this suffocation, you guys just put yourself automatically. I don't think I don't think any of your children will become a fool like you. No, they won't. Because this menace is not really helping us. Anytime we try to go forward, a lot of people try to begin to draw us back because of their personal selfish reason or whatever. They begin to turn a lot of people as if they doesn't know what they are doing. You are the one that is good now. How can you build up a country with lies, with settlement, with sacrifice? It does not work like that. It does not work like that. It's like you are laying a foundation, you don't put concrete, just a set block like that. It will collapse one day. Let every one of you the water way that they use and affect they drink. Why are you they talk gallery? Or marry now. We never with mama saw you why are never with mama said I make all of una they do. Not today. Well, God they review all of una they give person like me. Who are you working? Not by was swear name Diana yes again Konoru all new iriase. Very useless activist. Then when once you they play local league. Or your mate, not be una mate they contest for House of Rep that day for Switzerland. We don't have a rep member, the European Union. We cannot push ourselves to that extent. Look at what we are fighting. Calling the governor all manner of name number one citizen, a so well number one citizen. That according to your own imagination, to the law, he is number one citizen. There's no way you change it. There's no way you change it. Law. Federal Constitution of Nigeria permitted the governor to do what he's doing. The state this way of it permitted. But as he work over here doing, no, let's do it robbing of man. This one will not be working now. Let's sit down. Let's really assume now, Mr. Governor, this one you just said, what benefit does he have for us as a state? Now, you are asking me in motive, what benefit does he have? Then he go tell you, okay, sir, or anyone I talk about, the benefit in raw. The way we are now, they look at me. If no, you are winning, our bow, bolo, I wanna. Talking these things, I don't think to me, in Roman, why we talk about my forefathers, or in the palace. I'll tell you one, I'm going to be revealing some secret to you. No, we're making a hand where it don't tell me, man, come you to worry. I'll be aborigine, my forefathers. I know what happened there. So the story was pleasant to a lot of people. To a lot of people, it was not so pleasant. So you have a reason why you are doing your thing. Why we also have a reason why we are speaking truth to power, traditionally or otherwise. Or my item so I will talk hands up. Devine gagwan yibagbono. Devine gagwan. Weke no salobo ami. Unu wa ite brother Jesus is there. Nuwe Jesus Christ talk buwa. Unu wa ite there His Royal Majesty, His Royal Highness, Jesus. You just go there and say blood of Jesus. You go there and say God. Even mother of Jesus. All of you call it Mary. It's all the time with me. You have never one day say Mother Mary or Sister Mary. No. Then the more you feel you are defending your stupidity, the more you are opening people's eyes to begin to see your negligence and your stupidity. The most backward ethnic group today. Now some people for Edo, now they bring that name down because they only blew things out of proportion. Okay, at the end of the day, insulted the governor. What did you have to gain? Okay, they use charter flight, they bring the thing come. Okay, the very day we landed, what you want to do? The word that can happen now, the whole loans, they'll go to Tifa and they say, you come here and say they go sell one for why are going? Hey man, do like him. Opi say, oh you see, but there are people that have. There is a picture here I cannot really find right now. There is a warehouse there in UK full of gold. How many times have the UK ever one day happily displayed this thing on telly? How many times did you ever one day see? This thing, they took it not to go and use it to make money. They seized it away from us because of what they saw. But nobody is looking onto that today. What a shame that my own forefathers was fed no as Omanokboma or Yahweh. Then is that one you are claiming that you have a heritage? Let's correct some certain error, but nobody want to correct it. You think you want to continue like this? Why are we not having international relationship with other countries? Are we not a civilized world? Why are we not? Why are we not? A lot of things can be amended. 1999 Constitution was amended. This is look at how we used to do it, but now we can no longer do it like that again because of why Mavek Biravane. But all of you look at all of them speaking. Our forefathers even tried being able to do artifact. What does the youth be able to do? Even most of the women, they cannot even do hair or fish, even eyelashes for themselves. Very unusual, say. Or why you not stay internet for what can you do with your hand? Our forefathers, even where there was no machine, and these are the same your father, where they call and which you say they don't know anything now, juju they serve. Why are you not interested? Why you don't follow your Jesus? Me that was saying, remove not the ancient land which your father have set up. That to say, now me still value the tradition pass you. In the book of Proverbs 22 verse 28. Now me still value and pass you. Why not follow this your Jesus, blood of Jesus? Why are you still concerned about the artifact? I just read the meaning to you of what it means. Something made by human. For some specific use. Aga. Ana wa we jihari. Awo ke na waga wa we na wa mwegwe wa we fiane ano no sagin wejo. Go and ask the Britain or the Portuguese. Ene ana tarima ne gban social media na because in ana me nwa. Emmanuel Timothy the Bible for your history. They turn the whole history give them. Now they come they read down there. And not just made by human being, especially with a view to subsequent use. It's called artifact. An object made by human being. Especially with a view to subsequent use. That's it. So the reason why our fathers made it was for something. Then we are still trying to live the year of 100 years ago, what does it benefited our fathers? It made the white people to invade us. Now, are we still in the same lineage? The Britain of before, the West Germany, go and look at them. They have upgraded. Have we been able to upgrade in any form? We needed the same thing that they came to come and loot away due to the way they felt we were doing it was not supposed. It's a crime against humanity. I am charged with you. The thing is just that a federal court in Maro, the only thing that existed that time was just the Oba then was a supreme leader of the whole everybody. Imagine a democratic state now. That's why they cannot just even call Edo State direct. They are going to call the federal government of Nigeria. The federal government of Nigeria will work along with the Obaseki. As they are working along with the Obaseki right now will not carry traditional rulers alone. While they will look at the plans on ground. But how come about these messages everywhere, you want to steal it? Steal it for what? It's only a foolish man that will steal such an artifact. A god man. It was made by a human being. I guess Obaseki now need 10 of it, of the same, if you really need it. He will meet better people in Chinese. They will duplicate for him. We, from our point of view, they got the duplicate more beautiful, more modernized than our own. Even material now we will duplicate in it. Now double. At least let's be ashamed of ourselves at times we will project our image. We are minority in Nigeria. We are minority in the whole world. How many Edo persons have ever one day presented us well? How many Edo? That you are working in UN. Look at one idiot the other day. I don't know what did they say they do. They allow you, may you they come, may you they feel just be like Facebook big B now. May you feel they enter the website. You said they have recognized your word. You see, people are just using emotion for everything. We all know that it is a Benin kingdom. Have you been able to make it a kingdom? Have you been able to metamorphose it and make it a kingdom? You have not been able, but you never want to. You think all this you're ranting on social media, insulting the governor, any person that stands to speak his truth, you people won't leech on him. All things then work baron. Now small shit now they spoil us. The very day people will lay your hands on the wrong person. Now I don't go know say me this giant or cast. Look at it, you cannot speak the truth. A lot of people, 99% of people speaking today, they speak out of fear. Let go and carry one Bible from Israel. That will give me about no to. I will sponsor them with my. I will call people that has money. Please let cause anything and say enwe gele una ona gele ayamata eku wo gele wa gele 100% we no comprendre ye. Uri o boy Bible ni von. Uyu ke kan pa you mo dade. Sako fancy na de wa e gaji yanji. Sako fancy na de just dey na bawe or marking alcohol within themselves. They know that a lot of things that is happening is not good. Artifact they took away 100 years ago. It's now more valuable than the insecurity we are facing in our states. How many times have we blown such news about anything? Look at, there was a time now, our Agenki were there. Do you see any traditional rulers come out and condemn it? I was only the person who prayed about it. Why they told social media not to even carry the video. No social media carried. I was only the person that prayed. Because I felt now as my mind being, I saw everybody on me. All to the extent Oba market on you begin. Ekiosa market, all these are market that the name is tied to the Obas. Traditional market, I'm not going. What did you Edo people do about it? But men not do analyze a banner. Why at here, boy? If you don't cause your over, go to try. Why at here, boy? If you just cause over, do you think only one person can just come and manipulate the gods? No. You can only manipulate the gods of your own family, your immediate family. Edo State have their own general ancestors, or general gods, which every other ancestors or every other gods from his family are answerable to. That's why just be praying. If a full state gather lay curse on you, the gods, who is also like God in heaven, we took up the matter because they doesn't like injustice. The real gods, if your matter read their hand, you know if it die, they doesn't like injustice. Irrespective of how you take Sugwakpata, you go summon person does not make you to win the case. They will go win. It's just like Supreme Court. What makes Supreme Court to be supreme? What makes it supreme? Because any case that go there, it is treated where the way it ought to be. It is treated where the way it ought to be. If we find out say Mago day, or maybe they buy the court over, we are not talking about the Supreme Court governor of Imo State. For you to know, that was what happened upon how EPM lobby reach about Obaseki matter. Supreme Court brought up the real truth about it, that Obaseki is the real winner of the 2020 election. They give record to Ezeyamo and give record to Oshomole. That's why today, these same two political actors, they are still in the cardiac of trouble because it was the case was settled by the Supreme Court. Also, the gods of our land is there are cases that will go to Supreme Court, and I want my own case to go to the Supreme Court. You don't just come there and say anything is bad. They will just say Gawagbe. No. Now witches and wizards they do that one. So every gods, you can be the spiritual head of your immediate family, not the spiritual head of the whole Edo State. The gods of Edo State is not controlled by one person. It's autonomous body of his own. When issue became critical, they will come in and put every other power away. They are more powerful than every other thing. If they say yes, nobody can say no. That's why you lay curse on certain people, it does not work. It is these same gods of Edo that will go there and say null and void. This case is cancelled. What you are charging this small boy for is not wrong. And for you to have such grace, that the Spirit of God allowed them to carry you to that Supreme Court, that to say your life is saved. Aren't you surprised today when I am bog man say ignorantly? Anyone die? A lot of people that said they're not a bog man. Our God is not a God of injustice. The very day you lay curse on somebody and say, okay, we are not talking about who from one or Kagbe that go and maneuver, it will set points on the ground. No. We are talking about the gods of the land. That's why they say the gods are not to blame. So whatever there are a lot of decisions people take, they took it based on sentiment. For example. But but do you know today, some Edo people is so stupid that even when they call their audience way, defiling a girl of 10 years. Any person that come out of social media and insult the person, they still choose to reference that very position of the audience way rather than obeying the law. This is where they are catching it wrong. That's why the other day, we heard that some Enogi collect money from Fulani and say go and graze anywhere. Any person that caught that Enogi now and humiliate him over what that Enogi have done. A lot of animals who don't have their brain at the center of their head, we feel you are disrespecting. But why will Ojonwe do such a thing? If he doesn't want insult, why must he do such a thing? That's why people today, nobody bloody care about our brothers, our youngest, that use it themselves in Senegal. Nobody cares about our brothers in Bamako. Nobody cares about our sisters up to today in Libya. We don't bloody care. But how many struggle have you ever one day seen a brother? Okay, let's assume this is just a matter of a thing. Nobody chooses to understand about the side effect of this thing. But most of them today, that's even shouting, they are feeling the pains. But how many people roll with me and say, community, this thing you are saying, let every Edo person not indulge in this thing. Look at what my man is telling me. Are you not trying to tell me the artifact is precious than the life of the Edo people? That's what you people are trying to say. Then if you are such a person who prefer artifact than human's life, then you are a bastard. The truth needs to be said. You doesn't worth living. And we have a really woman in Jesus. These are areas where there is too much misconception. Nobody wants to understand anything. Only no one line really we bono lao no lao ne. No once they carry on, they don't observe anything. How many of you today is bothered that Boris Johnson have started saying that they want to go for third dose? Third dose. But I'll be preaching against it. But how many of you sit back and say, okay, this guy keep on talking about this thing. They know every way. If not for God, why we God has spoken to me. You to go and advise these people. A lot of them are knucklehead. Insulting the governor for what? Okay, now, who will watch this video now that will not have a rethink in his mind? Like really, my 40 years now, is this one really our problem? They are not bringing a refinery. They are not bringing resources. They are bringing about something that is made by human being, especially for a frequent purpose, a subsequent used. Way. I can charge you to make an image right next to one guy because it is my belief. It is what our father believed in. That's the deity. Anytime they call on that thing, or they say, yeah, no family today that doesn't have Ufure. We got also in my family, Uduhueme. My great-grandfather was called upon to come and do something in the palace. Do you know what happened? I will tell you one day. A thing waro, a thing. But those things were left behind. He was called upon. Please, we are having a problem. Uduhueme, we know that yes, you can do this thing. Please come around. The man came. He brought what he has to make sure the place was protected. But at the end of the day, what happened? Something mysterious happened along the line. But he now showed that yes, when the message, when message were later sent to him, he told the servant, Wagihuna, Edo ana wuna gbuko wagbogmeso. Wagihuna kpohungbo, wona wugihuna na kpohungbo ayoge kpohungbo. The person delivered the message. Or not time we would do whoever go tell them say, "Man, I know they shake." Maybe on a very good day, my brother will be in position to say that. So why any was one? You people are crazy. You are using settlement for a lot of things. I settlement in Ogbeluwa or Ogbeluwa nebo. If no mama not, you don't just use settlement. Look at it because working now Donald Trump is the president. Oh yeah, oh yeah, Nancy Pelosi will raise up bees against him. Nancy Pelosi, but it's only in a door that someone can be above the law. A state that has no law, that state will not go forward. There are a lot of things Obaseki do to the Oyegan, but you have insulted him. I'm not a friend to anybody, but insulted the number one citizen of the state. To you, you are an animal. You are not even saying it constructively. Look at this way activists go on one more again. Yes, again, as big as you are. All your mates are now inventing. Having motor draw. You can invest something and sell out the idea to people. Some of our activists right now, information came to my desk today that most of them are Gwalian here. Okay, now any person that speaks the truth will be at risk. You now see a lot of people right now, so because right now they have been warned for them to start talking anyhow. For them to start talking any small thing, as one call him a one. Does that make anything? You guys are fooling yourself the more. People are watching, they are watching. Do you think all your video is not being stored? There are a lot of things you feel you are doing. They store it against you. Instead of you to project your image well. You are Edo. Go and read the history of Edo. Whether shame go let you talk so you be Edo. Idian yes he get Yoko. Not be his stepson I fight. Doko no yo. Deke ona yagmina. Not be stepson he raise fight against. Now burden and attempt. Or Iraki yagmina. Or Majiraki now. But if we try to project, I was the first person that said that what did Denugbo do is equivalent to what Jesus Christ did because it was for restoration. Mokavita. In 2018, I was the one that said it that the palace have whatever would make Edo to be great. Let the 18 local government bring out what they have, and because really they obey. For those of you that are sensible, you know very well. I reference that very Edo more than that. Bobo Wadwawe na my dear. Megu amon Boboni. I don't believe in sycophancy. Let's tell ourselves the truth. The book of James chapter 4, verse 17. He said those that know how to do good and do it did not. To them become a sin. That's it. But a lot of Efulefus today have no brain to digest this. Have no brain to digest this. Look at you can see right now. They are outside. Black man or man. Do we have such thing in our society? Do we have such thing in our society? Causing suffocation. You pick that the biggest respect. By making the place where you are from. making somebody to become gbomo. Why you yakin woo nena? Then also go and explain to your children that so and so person is a woo. You don't even need to look at his face. That's suffocation for crying out loud. It's suffocation. No? While at least reduce the intensification. Third dose or they not third dose. Third dose or they not third dose. But when I was telling people, wise up, not before. I mean, you can't seek her here. Look at everybody. ACT there, but you couldn't think. Why you think here? Then you got the third one. You must take it in Jesus' name. I pray may God give you the strength to take the third one. No coin you go. You see, even the wise people in Edo State, we have scholars still. Instead of we to start going forward, look at it. Everywhere banditry. Not be yesterday they see Emia. I don't want to mention the place that they killed it. It was kidnapped, sorry. It was kidnapped. A lot of mysterious things happening all over the world. Nobody bloody care about that. Nobody even know whether it's going to be allowed to even see the artifact. With what they are putting you. The whole rumor about it is death. The rumor about it is death. A rumor they are calling it rumor today because there are a lot of news everywhere. The rumor about it is not encouraging. Even to what you feel in your system. It's not even encouraging. Nobody knows when the world is going to end. Now the heat where they go down. Madrid yesterday was 45%. Today my city 38-40. If that one do for 1 week, how are we going to survive it? AC cannot even take it. AC inside the car is like you didn't own anything, you don't own a breeze. Climate change is affecting everybody. What Big Gay said, Oma can work. They not affecting Mangbe Jama and not receive it. They make money from it. Let them bring it now. We'll see how much we are going to make from it. People with data will start coming and start watching. You feel the governor that say, okay now, West Africa Museum, he doesn't know what he's doing. It is good head that join hands together. Let's do this thing like this. Let's see if it will work. You know, where you have not been able to put security in your state. A channel you have not the maybe to just enter 5,000 or 10,000. How many people want to enter? How many people? How many population do we have? How many people can even afford to go to the place and watch it? Can you go and watch? Good day, viewers, and God bless you all. For all those animals, because I mean, your wa. I mean, your wa lalai. Mona still go that on a comment. God punish all of una head. Idiotas. You work very power, work very baby. Civilization man is saying waje. The life of 1897 where you live. Our forefather tried though, for even having the sense. This generation, what have you people done? Constituting nuisance. Only no we man one day or kept very dirty animal. This century when I big yaga. Do I tell when your mate engineer inventing things? Just look at all of them. Mad people everywhere. Civilization you go. No civilization. All your mates are flying plane. B-52 military jet. A drone I have Kazani Suleimani na omawe. The drone where they take Kazani Suleimani. Na pesi doan. Oma movenu weje. Artifact or Yahweh. Baby. Civilization. Artifact is coming. If you not just brigand. Gosh. Thank God we have been able to differentiate ourselves. Moses said, he said, Egyptian you see today, you shall see them no more. In that sorrow, we are not supposed to meet again in this life. Because they are just animals, they are suffocated. They can suffocate you until you die. Do have a nice day until I come across your way again. Ciao, bye.